Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the message that says Xbox Game Bar is currently not available in your account on Windows. First, make sure Xbox Game Bar is turned on. Open Settings on your PC. Click on Gaming. Then select Xbox Game Bar. Check that the toggle for Xbox Game Bar is switched on. If it is off, turn it on and close Settings. Next, check that you are signed in with the correct Microsoft account. Open the Xbox app or Microsoft Store. Look at the account shown in the top corner. Make sure this is the account you normally use for gaming. If not, sign out and sign in with the correct account. After that, check for Windows updates. Open Settings again. Click on Windows Update. Select Check for Updates. Install any available updates. Xbox Game Bar works best on the latest Windows version. Restart your PC after updates are installed. If the problem is still there, repair or reset the Xbox Game Bar. Open Settings. Go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Scroll down and find Xbox Game Bar. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. First, click the Repair button. Wait for the process to finish. Close the window and test Xbox Game Bar again. If it still does not work, go back to Advanced Options and click Reset. This will clear the app data. Restart your computer one last time. After the restart, try opening Xbox Game Bar again using the Windows key and G key together. Thanks for watching.